Here we are going to tell you the top 4 DIY carpet cleaning solutions, by Same-Day Carpet Cleaning. The best thing about any DIY plan, even making a carpet cleaning solution, is that you can make it a fun project for your kids. Children are curious about DIY tasks anyway. So try to channel this curiosity into an everyday task such as making a carpet cleaning solution. Number 1. DIY Foul Odor Removal Solution. If you notice a foul stink every time you enter the room, it might be coming from your carpets. Old vinegar is a good choice for foul odor removal. Take 4 small bowls, depending on the size of your carpet, and fill them with diluted vinegar. Place all bowls in the room with stinking carpet and close all doors and windows of that room. By morning, the vinegar would have absorbed foul odor from your carpeting. If the odor recurs within a few days, then hire a professional carpet technician. You can also sprinkle a small amount of baking soda and let it sit for a few minutes, then vacuum it up. Number 2. DIY Spot Cleaning Solution. If your kitchen or dining room has a carpet flooring, you will find this DIY cleaning solution recipe a lifesaver. 1. Mix 2 tablespoons of liquid dish soap with 1 cup of warm water. Pour the solution in a spray bottle. 2. Add a few drops of essential oils to make the solution more effective and scented. 3. Sprinkle a pinch of baking and allow to sit overnight. 4. Spray your DIY carpet solution on the spot and allow it to sit for a few minutes. 5. Use a rag cloth to soak up, then allow the carpet to dry naturally. Number 3. DIY Stain Removal Solution. For this, you will need a spray bottle, 1 cup of club soda, 1 cup of vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of liquid dish soap. 1. Start by mixing all the mentioned ingredients and pouring them in the spray bottle. 2. Shake the bottle well before using it. 3. Spray the solution on the carpet stain and allow it to sit on the affected area for 15 to 20 minutes. 4. Use a clean rag cloth to dab the solution and dry the carpet properly. Number 4. DIY Carpet Deodorizer. Here's a simple and easy to follow ideas for homemade DIY carpet deodorizer. 1. Take a small bowl of baking soda and add 5 to 10 drops of scented essential oils in it. 2. You can also use powdered cinnamon or vanilla essence. 3. Scatter the DIY carpet deodorizer evenly on your carpet floor and allow it to sit for 6 to 8 hours. 4. Vacuum the scattered baking soda. Whom to trust? Call us today to schedule treatment with Same-Day Carpet Cleaning professional carpet technicians. You can book an appointment as per your suitability and convenience. We have a large team of technicians with more than 20 years of experience in professional carpet cleaning services. Thank you for watching. Give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to get best cleaning tips.